What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate image from text using Leonardo AI, which is a free tool to help you generate image from text, and I think it is very powerful. This is a tool that I use all the time to generate image for this channel. If you want to try the application, I will put the link in the description for you, okay? You don't have to give any credit card information or stuff like that to start using the program. And this is just my first tutorial about Leonardo AI on this channel, and I will make more tutorial video about this tool, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like the video, just hit the like button, and if you have any question, just let me know at the comment section. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Okay, and this is the homepage of Leonardo AI. If you want to start using the program, you need to click this button, get started, or you can click this button, launch application. If you want to read more information about this tool, you can read down here. Okay, so first thing first, we want to create a new account first, so we want to click the get started button, and now you have some option: Apple account, Google account, Microsoft account, or you can input your email address right here. So first up, you need to sign up a new account. I already signed up, so I will click here, continue with Google. You can do the same if you already sign into your Google account on your Chrome browser. It is also available on your mobile phone. You can generate image from text using your phone also. Okay, so now I can click here, continue with Google account. Okay, so there will be some more steps to sign up a new account if you don't have an account. Okay, and this is the homepage of the application, and being mentioned that they can upgrade their homepage in the future. So maybe after 2 or 3 months you log into the application, it can be a little bit different. Okay, so at the center is the most important information of the application. So they have all the function right here, and they have some model here and some example demo here. But you have to look at the left corner of the screen. This is very important. You have 150 token, which the AI credit or token you can use for free. After finishing 150, you need to wait until tomorrow, or you have to click here, upgrade, to buy more token. Okay, and these are all the plan of Leonardo AI. They have free one, apprentice, artisan, and maestro, stuff like that. So you have to read all the information if you want to purchase any plan right here. Okay, so read all the information here. So let's go back to my homepage. Okay, so first up is the free token. You have 150 free token to use to generate image. And down here you have your personal feeds. So these are the image, video that you generate using this application. For example, I can click here to the personal feed, so you can see that I create many cat images and girls and story, stuff like that. And down here you have the AI tools. So they have image creation, motion, real-time canvas, and real-time generation. By the way, they are here at the homepage, so you can find here also. So now if you want to generate image from text using Leonardo AI, you want to click here image creation, or just click here image creation. It is the same. Okay, so first up I want to click here at the image creation. Okay, and that is the user interface of the image creation. By the way, they have two modes here, legacy mode or normal mode. So if your user interface is different from mine, you can try legacy mode or normal mode. Okay, so I will stick with this one, legacy mode. So first up you have the prompt right here, and this is a place where you can input your prompt. And being mentioned that with Leonardo AI, you can also use it AI prompt generation if you cannot think about anything. For example, I want to generate a beautiful cat, so I will use this one. This is a prompt generation. So just click here at the prompt generation, and now I need to select how many prompt I want. So I will select 2, and now I want to just type the keyword beautiful cat. Okay, and now I can click here to get idea. A majestic feline with furs as soft as silk, barking exam. So now you can click here to generate, to put this prompt into the image generation. By the way, you can click this drop down menu to edit the prompt, but I'm going to click generate. Okay, and this is my image. So this is the first way to generate an image from text using Leonardo, that is using the prompt generation, and then you can just click generate. Okay, next up, if you want to input the prompt yourself, you can input it right here. So you want to write your prompt as detailed as possible. For example, I can generate beautiful cat, black hair, black skin, sorry, black color, human body, singing in the studio, stuff like that. And next up, you want to take a look at the toolbar on the left side. For example, number of image, you can select 4 image one time or stuff like that, because they have different versions, so you can select one of them. Normally I will select 2. If you want to select 8 or 7 or stuff like that, you have to have a paid plan. Okay, and down here you have some paid feature of the application, such as photo reel, AI Chemi, and prompt magic. And down here you have the image dimension. You can select different dimension for your image also. For example, I can select this dimension. Okay, and next up, we can select a model for our image. For example, this is 3D animation style. By the way, they have many other model here. For example, stable diffusion, absolute reality, and rim shaper. Normally I will use 3D animation style, but sometimes I also use rim shaper. So we can try rim shaper here. And here you have the button to add elements, but I will talk about this later in other tutorial. Okay, now we can click this button to generate text. Okay, and it costs 4 tokens for this. Okay, so this is beautiful cat, black color, human body, singing in the studio. Okay, so the mouse is not very good. By the way, we want to click another one. So the face of the cat is not very good. So we can select another model. Okay, we can go back to the 3D animation style and generate again. Okay, so this is the second way to generate image to text using Leonardo AI. And the other way is to generate an image and have an image guidance, meaning that you can input your own image. For example, I have a image guidance button here, so we can click here. And now you want to upload an image from your computer, okay, to use as a guidance. Here, upload image, and I can use this one. So this is my own image. Okay, and confirm. Okay, and we can adjust the strength. For example, I can make it 0.77. And here I will keep the same prompt, beautiful, but I want to correct the mistake here and use 3D animation style. And now I can click generate with the image guidance. Okay, so click here and wait for it and go to the generation history. Okay, and this is the first image, and this is the second one. I think this one look similar to my image, my original image. By the way, I think it's okay. And now if I want, I can turn off the image guidance. Okay, and generate the image again with the 3D animation style. Beautiful cat, black color, human body, singing in the studio. Okay, so generate. Wow, very nice. Okay, so this is the image, human body, black cat. And now what if you are happy with the image generation? You can just click here to download the image, and you have some more option here. For example, you can copy to clipboard, and you can unzoom the image to make it a bigger image and higher quality. And you can remove the background, but it will cost token. Okay, for example, I can download this image, and this is the beautiful cat singing in the studio. That's nice, right? Alright, so this is how to generate an image using Leonardo AI. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video about Leonardo AI. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.